So I scoured the internet and I found this. It's INSL-X waterborne bonding primer. And all the reviews I found look like this is the best stuff to do priming base on top of existing tile. So this is what I'm gonna use. Okay, I started with my big, huge roller. It's an 8-inch roller. And it wasn't getting into the existing grout lines at all. So I did a little research and I'm gonna paint the grout lines first and then go over with a roller to fill in the space. The medicine dropper again. I'm gonna do a second coat of grout here to give it a really nice straight line, and then after a couple minutes, after it soaks down, I'll smooth it out. All right, guys, happy Saturday. My floors are coming along. I just have these random ones left, like part of this one that I couldn't get to because of the cabinet. That one is a strange shape. This one, this part, this random shape, and then this one because the door's in the way, and this last one. So about 5 tiles left. So I'm gonna start cutting them. I'm gonna get my official paper cutter, like the guillotine type cutter. And I have my second one from Cutting Edge Stencils. So I am going to start cutting so I can finish the floors today. My goal is to finish this weekend, so I'm excited.